Here's how you can change language on YouTube. Doing this is pretty simple. You will have to just navigate to YouTube application on your mobile phone. Now, click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll be on this page where you'll have to simply click on the gear icon at the top right. Once you click the gear icon, you will see these options from which you'll have to choose languages. Now, you will see two options, app language and preferred language. Simply click app language. Now, you'll have different languages appearing here. Simply choose the one that you want to switch to. For example, I can select Hindi. Click change and this will instantly change my language on YouTube. Now get back and as you can see, my language just changed. And if you want to undo this or change to other language, you'll have to just navigate to settings and click this language icon, click the first option and choose any language that you want to switch to. I will choose English and choose the right option. That's how you simply change language on YouTube. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.